This is very powerful lesson, especially for people that are going through a difficult time. A key problem for all of us when we go through a difficult time is that we have expectation from people. We expect, for example, somebody has an abused father and they say, why can't my father be like every father should be? Somebody says, why can't my husband be like a husband should be? Why can't my? She's a mother. She's supposed to be kind. Why isn't she kind? She's a daughter. She's supposed to be beaten. Why isn't she obedient? We always look at people and what they should be. And that make us angry because they are not what they are should be. And we keep getting more and more upset. And we keep saying that this should be different. This should be different. This should be different. And this should be different. By the way, the book of Allah will tell you how people should be. But we are human beings. We are human beings. And you cannot turn people into what you want them to be. Some they will change when Allah puts that in their hearts. You and I can't change people, even the people closer to us. Even the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam was told this.